Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Nationalist Congress Party hene kasngi kala lumlang yaginong yalam jong ka Seng nakaleng ka jilla banyatai halor kumnu banshim yakilat kilinti banpen klan ya ka Seng ha ka jilla ha kane kasngi lawan banyadon lang da National Youth President jong ka NCP u Dheeraj Sharma ha ka jingadon lang jong u Sanjay Prajapati u NCP Observation Coordinator of Northeast State President ke NCP u OK Sangma u State Youth President u Dapkupar Nongrum bad kiwei habakran bagi nong tho khubor u National Youth President jong ka NCP u Dheeraj Sharma u loong ba ka NCP ka de ka Seng ka balalong tendrai ha Meghalaya kam de shu ka Seng ka badang thamai ha ka jilla ngidon shibun kinong yalam kibala itho bad kibala pau na ka jilla Uloong baka Seng menta kelas dang ban penklan ya ka kamtam baka election syaka yeng dor bar thawan jong ka jilla kan solong haus nem 8,000 apupra ha ka baka Seng ka Phai Khmat syaki Samla bad ki don ka jingkermen baki Samla na ka jilla Meghalaya kin ai ka jingkershan ya ka Seng ngilas dang ya ka jingpen ya so syaka Seng Kidon ka jingkermen baki Samla na ka jilla kin kershan yaki namar kumba ka long menta shibun ki Samla kila kendo jing ha ka yo kam yo jam ka jingop haudrak bat ka Seng ka Phai Khmat syaki Samla ban pet ya ka ne ka jing ka ba kilay kendo shu uloong ba ka NCP ka de ka Seng ka ba Phai Khmat syaki Samla u mentri rang ba ka jilla Meghalaya u badeiru National President barim jong ka NCP u MP ka Meghalaya ru ude unong yalam barim jong ka NCP ka Seng ka de ka ba ithu ba ka de ka Seng ka ba Phai Khmat syaki Samla Uloong ru ba kinsaya Kren bat kinong yalam ba hakli du jong ka Seng man penmi shu iki Samla ba kinekon ya ki Ilekshon syaka yeng dor bar thawan
It's not a new party for Meghalaya. NCP is the basic party, we can say, for Meghalaya. And we have already done so much of work and we have a very recognized cadre over here. So today we had a NCP Youth State Convention under our leadership of our State President, Dapkumar. And we are trying to create more cadre, seeing upcoming election, and we are focusing on youth. As NCP, we are having a youth leadership. We are giving preference to youth, and we are very positive that Meghalaya youth will support NCP. And in continuation, we have launched a membership drive also, and we are very sure that NCP youth will emerge as the strongest youth organization in Meghalaya because youth is facing so much of problem. As we can see, unemployment problems, youth is going for drugs. So we all want that youth should be more stronger and more focused for Meghalaya. So NCP youth will focus on youth more.
There was also a recommendation, say a demand or a suggestion for the council elections to make more reservation for the youth. Could you elaborate?
See, NCP has always been a party where youth has given more and more preferences. We can see the CM also, he also came from the youth, NCP youth organization only. Member of Parliament also of Meghalaya, he was also from NCP youth only. So NCP is the party who is always known for strengthening youth. So this time also we will talk to a central leadership that we should get more and more youth candidate in upcoming elections, whether it is local elections, assembly elections or Lok Sabha elections. That will be decided by our top leadership. But definitely we will brief them about the situation of Meghalaya, and if they think that there should be a representation from NCP, they will definitely think about that. Meghalaya people, they were having a very high hopes with current government. But as we can see, the situation are like same only. People want change. People want, and especially youth want, a good party who can come into power and who can think about youth. Unemployment, it is the biggest problem of Meghalaya. Youth are going out of the state for their employment, and even there are so many problems. There is no proper health infrastructure, there is no proper schools, colleges here. So people want their basic things to be in the state only, and NCP has already proved this in Maharashtra state also, before also. Now I think we will go to the people and we will talk with them, and definitely Meghalaya people will support NCP.
That's an
And even on this issue, I think I have to raise this issue. The women bill, which was rejected by the opposition, I want to criticize them. They have not reject this bill. They have rejected the women empowerment. They have rejected the respect of women, and we strongly criticize them that beyond politics they should support this bill. They have shown their real face to the people, that they talk about women empowerment, but when it comes to support them in a real manner, they have opposed this. So NCP always stands with women empowerment. NCP always give respect, utmost respect to women of this country, and by opposing this bill, opposition has exposed to the country